Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove privacy password in Realme. By default, first time you enter privacy settings on your Realme, you have to set up password, but you can turn off the password. In order to do it, first let's go to settings and next go to privacy and security. Next, go to more, security and privacy, privacy password, enter your current password and select turn off. Verify it, and now privacy password is disabled. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.